Are you experiencing electrical problems in your home? Are you worried about unexpected outages and tripping switches? Electricity is an integral part of our lives, and when something goes wrong, it's not just inconvenient, it can also be very dangerous. If you're unsure or worried in any way, you need the help of a qualified, fully licensed, and reliable electrical technician, someone with the knowledge and experience to find the cause of any issues and to put them right quickly and safely, and then give your home's electrical system a clean bill of health, all at a reasonable cost. You can't take a chance or put a price on the safety of yourself and your loved ones. So, for complete peace of mind about your home's electrical system, contact us for a thorough inspection today.